What's going on, gearheads? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on the Pontiac Solstice. I've been looking at the convertible top on this thing for some time and it just looks absolutely terrible up close. Now when it's doing 60 and it's 100 yards away, looks brand new, but it's not. But we finally got our Renovo Convertible Top Reviver and essentially, or Restorer, it's essentially black dye for cloth tops on cars. So let's go ahead and jump over to the car here. I got a paintbrush to put this stuff on. Well, it was about 40 bucks. I bought it from Amazon. You can buy it from Renovo, but it does take some time. They don't actually sell it in the US that I've actually been able to find. So it had to go through customs and whatnot. But let's jump over to the Pontiac and see what we can do. All right, so this is what I got going on here. So you can see somebody took a pressure washer at one point, which wasn't me, but somebody did. So look at that. We're gonna fix this here, fix all of this. So it says to start in the middle, but I've already done one side and I'm actually doing the seams first. That way I can run straight lines. So, but it is soaking it in here. Alright, so we just finished the first coat and still letting it dry here, but I've noticed the pressure washer marks that the dealer did. Doesn't look like those are actually going to come out. So let's give it a couple hours and then we're going to apply coat 2. We've already used about a half a bottle here. Alright guys, so here's day 2 with the curing. I just washed it off here, which you're going to have to do, which we're going to add a protectant sealant to it last. You can still see the pressure washer marks from the idiot who pressure washed it at the dealership. But we're going to let this dry and then let's add our protected sealant next. Alright, so for this I'm going to use a particular sealant here from a company. I'm not going to advertise what it is. IM me or just ask me in the chat if you want to know what it is. But it's pretty obvious from the design. So we're going to spray this right onto the top here. And it is completely dry. Now we are going to run a little lint roll over it and whatnot, but I'm happy with the coloring results, but I wasn't expecting a you know, a magic wand to get rid of the pressure washer marks here. But coloring though, super happy with it, especially down here where it was actually fading back in here. I was able to recolor this in here so you don't have the terrible fading that was going on right down here. So, and then I got the back window as well. So let's go ahead and spray this stuff on and let it cure for about 20 minutes and then we're going to do it again and then we'll check out the end result. So gearheads, there you have it. We restored the top to almost factory condition on a Pontiac Solstice. Doesn't look brand new, but looks way better than it did. So if you have any questions or comments in regards to the process, or you have a convertible top that is cloth, hit me up on the messages there, leave your comments, let me know what you think. It's a pretty easy process. It did take a couple days to get it done. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Next week we're coming out with the new Duramax video and we got some other little stuff planned for you there. See you next time.